Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create SOPs on Clickup. So first thing that you will do is simply go to one of your spaces and go to one of your lists. And now here, just simply click on this icon over here at the bottom right. So this will be the Clickup AI. So from here guys, just simply provide over here. Can you give me an SOPs on my YouTube tech channel? And just simply click on send. Now from here, just simply click on this one, the follow-ups. Can you help me create an SOP for my YouTube tech channel over here? And now just simply wait for it. And as you can see, it will create an SOP for you. And now you can just simply click on create over here guys once it is created. And just simply create this as a doc. And just simply create it as a doc. And from here, just simply provide the title. I'm going to go for SOPs must read. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and change all of the necessary information needed. And pretty much this will be just a template guys. So just simply change it based on your preferences and based on your standard and based on how do you want to make the flow and how do you want to do this. Now from here, you could just simply change it based on your preferences. And once you are done, you can just simply click on share at the top over here. And you can just simply provide the email of the person that you want to share it to. Or you can just simply share it with anyone by just simply copying the public link. So pretty much this will be depending on you. Now guys, when you go to the overview over here, as you can see, you should be able to see the docs over here. And they should be able to see it. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.